Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here is how to join TikTok Creativity Program Beta from any country. To join the Creativity Program Beta on TikTok from any country, follow these simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then, tap the Profile button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page where you can manage you. Tap the menu button at the top. Once you are on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines or the menu button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the TikTok menu. Tap Creator Tools. Within the TikTok menu, you will find various options and features available to creators. Look for the Creator Tools option and tap on it. This will open a new screen with additional tool settings designed to enhance your creative journey on TikTok. Tap Creativity Program Beta. In the Creator Tools section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Creativity Program Beta. Tap on it to open the application page for joining the program. Here you will find more information about the program and its benefits, as well as a form to submit your application. You'll receive a reply within approximately 3 days of submitting your application. After submitting your application to join the Creativity Program Beta, TikTok will review your submission. They strive to process applications as quickly as possible, and you can expect to receive a reply within approximately 3 days. During this time, be patient and stay tuned for updates from TikTok via email or notifications within the app. While waiting for the response from TikTok, you can also explore the option to order a monetized TikTok account. TikTok offers a way for creators to monetize their accounts and earn income through various means, such as brand partnerships, merchandise sales, and virtual gifts from fans. By clicking on the provided link, you can access the resources and information needed to monetize your TikTok account effectively. Make sure to complete your profile with accurate information, engaging bio, and high-quality profile picture. Participate in trending challenges, duets, and collaborations to showcase your creativity and engage with the TikTok community. Consider using popular and relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your content. Leverage TikTok's editing tools, effects, and filters to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and creating interactive content. Joining the Creativity Program Beta is a fantastic opportunity to further explore your creative potential on TikTok. Take advantage of the available tools, engage with the community, and watch your creativity bloom. Remember, success on TikTok is not just about the numbers, but the joy of sharing your unique perspective with the world.